Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is about changes in the puberty. What changes in puberty takes place first? Different exam questions comes related to this topic. That what changes take place first, and also in the long cases and in a clinical setup, patient usually come with the signs of the delayed puberty or early puberty. So it would be better for a gynecologist and obstetrician to know which changes takes place first. Okay, if you check this video on the YouTube about the different morphological changes which take place in order, we would come to know that breast development take place first. After breast development, pubic hair growth and axillary hair growth, growth in height, and at the end the menstruation. Okay, so we have made specific formula based upon these morphological changes which take place in order, and that is the TPAGM. T is for thelarchy, P for pubic hair, A for axillary hair, G for growth in height, and M for menstruation. So if we remember this formula of TPAGM, then it would be better for us so that we can solve all the questions which come related to this topic. Okay, TPAGM, thelarchy, pubic hair, axillary hair, growth spurt, and menstruation. Okay, TPAGM. Okay, that is the basic mnemonic which we have to remember. Okay, now if we study the luxurious medicine in the on the YouTube, we would also come to know that when that doctor discussed the changes, he says that it is not necessary that the tennis stage 1 of the breast correspond to tennis stage 1 of the growth. So means the breast changes takes place first. Okay, so first sign of puberty, that is the common MCQ: growth spurt, thelarchy, renarchy, and menarchy. The answer of this question would definitely be the breast development, that is thelarchy, which is the option B in here. Okay, so thelarchy is basically the answer according to the formula of TPAGM. Okay, is basically TPAGM. First sign of puberty is thelarchy. So yes, I have made a little bit mistake. It's not TAPGM, it is TPAGM. Okay, we have to remember this thing. Okay, so answer of that question is B, means the breast development. Okay, thelarchy, the breast development. B is the answer of this question. Another question: at puberty, following changes takes place in order: A, growth spurt, thelarchy, axillary hair, pubic hair, menarche. Growth spurt, thelarchy, pubic hair, menarche, axillary hair, that is B option. Option C, thelarchy, pubarchy, arenaceous, growth spurt, and menarche. So if we go to the formula of TPAGM, then that answer C would be the answer. Okay, TPAGM. Okay, thelarchy, pubarchy, adenarchy, growth spurt, and menarche. So these are the things which we need to remember. Another question related to the puberty is: most common cause of precocious puberty is familial, idiopathic, and autoimmune. And that answer would be B. Okay, most common cause of hirsutism, if it is asked, then that would be PCOS. Okay, another question: which investigation is required to differentiate between central and peripheral precocious puberty? That is also a CPS question. So among the different hormones which are written, that is LH, FSH, and estrogen, the LH is the one which is used to differentiate between the central and the precocious puberty. Basically, the EBM books of obstetric and gynecology and also Dewhurst give a very good overview of the changes in puberty. So let us revise our formula as we already discussed with you. That is basically thelarchy, pubarchy, thelarchy for T, and then the pubic hair growth takes place, and then the axillary hair growth, then the growth spurt, and then menstruation. hierarchy, pubic hair growth, then axillary hair growth, then the growth spurt,